studio in Bloomfield Hills, Michigan, and I'm going to demonstrate the star side kick. I'd like to show you two versions. The first one's a little more accessible because it doesn't require quite as much balance, and then I'll show you the advanced version of it. So first to start, I'm going to put my lower knee against the bottom shoulder, the front shoulder rest, stabilize my shoulder. I'm in one long line here. Inhale to press out. Exhale to keep my lower side stable and kick my top leg forward. Inhale to come back to the side position. Exhale to bend the knee and look over the shoulder. Inhale to return to the side star, and exhale to bring it in. Continuing on, I'm going to go into the advanced version now, which you'll see requires a lot more stability and more balance. So I'm going to start with my bottom foot there now, but everything else the same. Inhale to press out. Exhale to bring the arm and leg forward. Inhale to show the star. Exhale to bend to attitude. Inhale to reach, and exhale to draw everything in. Thanks a lot for watching Your Body, Your Future.